Good day everyone, my name is Arnisa Nanalan, BSN1 Abdel. This is the information about vitamin A. Here is the information about chemistry of vitamin A. Structure related to the carotene. Carotene is a convert into the vitamin A in the liver. Two molecules of vitamin A are formed from one molecule's beta-carotene. Oxygenations, if we compare the two molecules, it is clear that vitamin A is very closely related to half of the beta-carotene molecules. The function of vitamin A is help from the maintain healthy teeth, skeletal and soft tissues, mucous membrane and skin. Because it produces the pigment of retina of the eye, vitamin A promotes a good eyesight, especially in the low height. That is a function of vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A is associated with a significant morbidity and mortality from the common childhood infections, and is the world leading the preventable cause of childhood blindness. Vitamin A's deficiency also contributes to maternal mortality and other poor outcome of pregnancy and lactations. That is the deficiency of vitamin A. The source of vitamin A is vegetables such as carrots and squash, fruits like watermelon, as well as animal products like beef, chicken, and clams, and butter. That is the source of vitamin A. That's all.